to pop into this 34.90 and get a short and get a VPOC up there. I'm interested in being short back to 65. What a beautiful setup on Amazon. And that's the one I was talking about. If I can get that bounce back up into a VPOC here now, I'm taking this baby. All right, I got one strike on, half an hour on the puts. 65 is my target. And then boom, I just got paid on Amazon. Okay, I just paid myself 100%. I'm all out. I need a rally here though. Come on, bounce back up into 80. I want to get some more short on. If I can get that 75, I'm taking some more of this. I'm about to take one strike here. And then if I get the rally in the 70, take another strike. Okay, at a limit, I got filled on that. Amazon's coming on 34.50, so I'm gonna take some profits in here. I've got multiple contracts on, so I'm up. I did $5 on these contracts now. I'm about to take some profits into 52, and then I'd like to hold on to the rest with just a stop, flat on the rest of them and see what kind of downside I can get from here. I took profits. I paid myself a little bit there.